Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Santa Fe's air filter. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a new engine air filter, which you can typically find for around $20 to $30, and possibly a flathead screwdriver for some models. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. This easy maintenance task can significantly improve your engine's performance and fuel economy. Now, let's locate the air filter housing. This is usually a large, black plastic box situated near the front of your engine compartment, often connected to a large intake hose. Once you've found it, you'll need to open it. Most Hyundai Santa Fe models use 2 to 4 metal clips or clamps that you simply unlatch. Some might have a few screws, which you can easily remove with your screwdriver. With the airbox open, you will see the old, often dirty air filter. Carefully lift it out, noting its orientation. Take a moment to wipe away any debris inside the airbox with a clean cloth. Now, take your new air filter. It's crucial to install it in the correct direction, matching how the old one was positioned. Gently place the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Once the new filter is in place, carefully close the airbox cover. Re-engage all the clips or tighten any screws you removed, making sure the housing is sealed tightly. This quick replacement improves your engine's airflow, potentially increasing horsepower and fuel efficiency. It also protects your engine from harmful contaminants. Aim to replace your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.